Welcome back. So you've moved into your new apartment, you found the best space for you, and you realize you've got an extra long patio with seating area and dining area, but you don't quite have a bar top table yet. Well, you can make your own, and we'll show you how it's done. You'll need some plywood, some small and large screws, some zip ties, and L brackets, a small one and a large one. You'll also need some wood for the legs, and finish it off with polyurethane or clear coat. I'd tell you how to do all the steps, but that would make this video way too long. So just do the DIY stuff. You'll do great. Now that you've put it all together, let's see what a wonderful transformation you have made to your very own balcony. Stay tuned to see what we're doing next on Apartment DIY Balcony Edition.